Hello students, in last class we discussed about the given complex number is expressed in the form of a plus I b form. Here again we will continue the same here. Express the following in a plus I b form. What is the first problem here? 1 plus I whole square minus 1 minus I whole square. It is of the form here a plus b whole square formula, right? A plus b whole square. A plus b whole square formula here a square plus b square plus 2 into a. What is the a value? 1 into b. It is a plus b whole square formula minus a minus b whole square formula. A minus b whole square formula a square plus b square minus 2 into ab, right? Therefore here 1 square means 1, I square means minus 1, 2 into 1 into I is 2I minus as it is here also 1 square is 1, I square means minus 1, minus 2 into 1 into I is minus 2I. Here 1 minus 1 is 0, remaining here 2I minus 1 minus 1 0, remaining here minus 2I. Therefore 2I minus of minus plus 2I, 2I plus 2I 4I. Okay, it is only imaginary part here, right? There is no real part. Means real part here 0. Therefore it can be written as 0 plus 4 in the form of a plus ib form, right? Next here. Second one. One divided by means 1 minus I divided by 1 plus I. Okay. 1 minus I divided by 1 plus I. Right. ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಾರ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ರಾಷನಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಿಮಗೆ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಐ ಬಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಓಕೆ ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಓಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಯಾವ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಐ ಬಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ರಾಷನಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಂದ್ರೆ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ರೀ, ರಿಯಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದನ್ನೇನು ಮಾಡಿರಿ ರಾಷನಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದು ಗಿವನ್ ರಾಷನಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಂಟು ಓಕೆ here plus is there, what to write? 1 minus I divided by 1 minus I, right? Therefore just here multiplication. Okay, 1 into 1 into minus I minus I. Okay, 1 into 1 into minus I minus I into 1 is minus I into minus I plus I square whole divided by. Here I want to multiply this. Okay, numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. But here denominator is of the form a plus b into a minus b formula ಇದೆ. Okay, always ನೀವು rationalization ಮಾಡಿದಾಗೆ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು a plus b and a minus b ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ. Okay, a plus b a minus b ಮಾಡಿದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ a square minus b square. Okay, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು? a means here 1, b means I. Okay, a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square means 1 square minus I square. This 1 as it is minus I as it is. What is the value of I square? I square value here minus 1 whole divided by. Okay, 1 square is 1. What is the I square value? Minus 1. Already a negative is there. Okay, I square value here minus 1, already negative into negative here positive plus 1. Okay, here 1 minus 1 get cancelled. What are the remaining? Minus I minus 2I divided by 1 plus 1 is 2. Again here 2 get cancelled. What are the remaining here? Minus I. Okay, what are the value? Minus I means here real part is 0. Therefore it can be written as 0 minus I. Real part is 0. And imaginary part here minus 1, right? Okay, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಎನಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? a plus ib ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ರಾಷನಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಆಗಿ, ರೈಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ third one, 1 plus I divided by 2 plus I. 1 plus I divided by 2 plus I. Here also rationalization into 2 minus I divided by 2 minus I. Okay, numerator into numerator here. Okay, 1 into 2, 2. 1 into minus I, minus I. Okay, 1 into 2, 2. 1 into minus I, minus I into 2 is 2I. Okay, I into minus I is minus I square whole divided by yavatle a formula iruttadri a plus b into a minus b means a square minus b square form. Therefore a square minus b square. Therefore 2 minus I plus 2I. These three terms as it is, but what is the value of I square? I square value here minus 1. Okay, minus into minus plus 1 whole divided by 2 square is 4. I square value minus 1 minus of minus plus 1, right? Therefore here 2 plus 1 is 3. Real part plus real part. 2 plus 1 is 3. Minus I plus 2I is I whole divided by 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, next step ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ರಿಯಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 3 by 5 plus I divided by 5. Okay, 5 ನ ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ 3 by 5 plus I by 5. ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ನೀವು? 3 by 5 plus I into 1 by 5. It is of the form a plus I will part. What is the real part? 3 by 5. What is the imaginary part? 1 by 5. Okay. Next. Fourth one. 1 plus I into 1 plus 2I whole divided by 1 plus 3I. Right. First here, okay, before going to rationalization, first ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, numerator ಏನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊ. 1 into 1 1, 1 into 2I 2I, I into 1 I into 2I is 2I square whole divided by this 1 plus 3 I is as it is. Okay, 1 plus 2I plus I as it is. What is the I square value? Minus 1. 2 into minus 1 here, minus 2 divided by 1 plus 3I. Therefore 1 minus 2 is minus 1. 2I plus I 3I whole divided by 1 plus 3I. ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ರಾಷನಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನೇ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೇನೆ, ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3I. ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಬಂತು, ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಆದ ನೋಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ರಾಷನಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ರೈಟ್. ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಅದು, -1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3I divided by 1 plus 3I into rationalization. 1 minus 3I divided by 1 minus 3I. Therefore, minus 1 into 1, minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 3I plus 3I. 3I into 1 is plus 3I. 3I into minus 3I is minus 9I square. Whole divided by, it is of the form a plus b into a minus b. Therefore a square minus b square, right? Minus 1 plus 3I plus 3I as it is. What is the value of I square? It is minus 1. Okay, minus 9 into minus 1 is plus 9 whole divided by 1 square is 1 minus 3 square is 9, I square is minus 1, right? 1 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾತ್ರಿ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಆದ್ರಿದಾತು 3 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 9 I ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 1 9 into minus 1 here minus 9 into minus 1 is plus 9 therefore minus 1 plus 9 is 8 3i plus 3i 6i whole divided by 1 plus 9 is 10 separate ಆಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬಹುದು 8 divided by 10 plus 6i divided by 10 cancel ಆದರೆ cancel ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು 2 4s are 2 5 4 by 5 2 3s are 2 5 3i divided by 5 it is of the form a plus ib form right. Next problem here 2 plus I whole square whole divided by 4 plus I right. Fifth one 2 plus I whole square whole divided by 4 plus I. First here it is of the form okay before going to rationalization first here expand ಮಾಡ್ಕೊ a plus b whole square formula okay a plus b whole square formula ಅಂದ್ರೆ a square plus b square plus 2a a square means 2 square means 4 right a square plus b square plus 2 into a b it is a value and it is b value a square plus b square plus 2 a b whole divided by 4 plus I 2 square is 4 what the I square value minus 1 2 into 2 4 4 into I is 4I whole divided by 4 plus I here 4 minus 1 is 3 plus 4I divided by 4 plus I ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊರಿ rationalization ಮಾಡ್ಕೊರಿ right 3 plus 4I divided by 4 plus I into 4 minus I divided by 4 minus I multiply 3 into 4 12 3 into minus I minus 3I 4I into 4 is 16I 4I into minus I minus 4 I square whole divided by it is of the form a plus b into a minus therefore a square minus b square a square minus b square here 12 minus 3I plus 16I but what is the value of I square value here minus 1 minus 4 into minus 1 plus 4 whole divided by 4 square is 16 I square is minus 1 already a negative is the negative of negative positive 12 plus 4 it is 16 minus 3I plus 16I plus 13I whole divided by 17 separate I divided by ಎಷ್ಟಾದ್ರಿ 16 divided by 17 plus 13I divided by 13 okay 17 it is of the form a plus ib form right. Next here one divided by I what a ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಆಗಿ ರಾಷನಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಓಕೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ರೈಟ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ರಾಷನಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮೈನಸ್ I ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಯ್ತು 1 into minus I into minus I square this minus I as it is what is the value of I square value is minus 1 already a negative of negative plus 1 therefore minus I divided by 1 can be done as minus I ಇದೊಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ 1 by I value ಏನು minus I ಈಗ ಹೆಂಗೆ I value ಏನ್ರಿ square root of minus 1 I square value minus 1 I cube value minus I raised to 4 value 1 in the same way 1 divided by I ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus I ಅಂತ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬರ್ತವೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀಬಹುದು 1 by I value ಏನು minus I right. Seventh one 2 plus 3i divided by 1 plus 2i. Okay, directly it is rationalization. 1 minus 2i divided by 1 minus 2i. 2 into 1, 2. 2 into minus 2i is minus 4i. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 into minus 2i is minus 4i. 3i into 1 is 3i. 3i into minus 2i is minus 6i square. Whole divided by, it is of the form a plus b into a minus a square minus b square. Right? A square minus b square. Therefore, 2 minus 4i plus 3i as it is. What is the I square value? Minus 1. Already here minus 6 is there. Minus 6 into minus 1 plus 6. Whole divided by 1 square is 1 minus 2 square is 4. What is the I square value? Minus 1 square is 1. This negative as it is. 2 square means 4. I square means minus. Minus 4 into 1 here plus 4. Okay. It is plus 4. 2 plus 6. 8 minus 4i plus 3i minus i divided by 5. Separate divided. Okay. 8 divided by 5 minus I divided by 5. 8 under the main work 8 divided by 5 minus 1 divided by 5 into I. It is of the form a plus I b part. What is the real part here? 8 by 5. What is the imaginary part? Minus 1 by 5. Okay, it is in the form of a plus ib form here, right?